Hello and welcome to the Oma Show. I have spoken about stress extensively on the Oma Show, and today I'm going to talk about how to lower stress hormones. Our body is hardwired to protect us against the threats we face every now and then and fight back. From predators and aggressors to taking care of huge workload, the responsibility of paying bills, or even taking care of our family. We have a wide range of rattling dangers to everyday hassles we call threats. In order to make that work, we have stress hormones called cortisol. You can think of them as built-in alarm systems. This hormone works with our brain to control our moods, fears, as well as motivations. Hence, whenever you feel alarmed or frazzled, it is your adrenal gland pumping this hormone. It switches you from relaxed to fight or flight mode. This hormone is really important to help your body fight against an alarming situation. However, excess of it can be really deteriorating mentally as well as physically. Today I'll tell you how to cope with your stress hormones naturally. But let us get to know the science behind cortisol first. The science of cortisol. Whenever you sense a threat ahead your way, your hypothalamus located in your head sets off an alarm across your body. With the help of some hormones as well as nervous signals, your adrenal gland located atop your kidney is alerted to release a plentiful amount of some hormones which include adrenaline as well as cortisol. Where adrenaline rush gives you increased heartbeat, elevated blood pressure, or enhanced energy supplies, cortisol, which is our primary stress hormone, increases glucose in your bloodstream, enhances your brain's glucose consumption, and also increases the amount of substance required for tissue repair. Although cortisols are very important to optimally manage stressful situations as it has anti-inflammatory properties, having high level of cortisols for longer periods of time can hurt you more than they can help. So, what does cortisol do? These hormones released from triangular-shaped adrenal gland in your body play key roles in performing some necessarily bodily functions like manages your body's carbohydrates, fats, and protein consumption, lowers the inflammation, regulates blood pressure, increases glucose in the bloodstream, handles your sleep cycle, boosts energy supplies to manage stress and restore balance right after. When your body is on high alert, cortisols can alter the normal functioning of your body and stop some important process like the digestive system, reproductive system, also immune system, and even your growth process as well as that get in their way. Derailing your body of its natural and very essential functions can lead to a number of mental and physical health problems, which include number one, fatigue and bad moods. Constant high levels of stress hormones can tire you really badly. It gets in the way of other hormones, disturbs your sleep patterns, and induces fatigue. Number two, weight gain. It makes you feel hungrier by increasing your appetite and signaling your body to shift metabolism to store fat. Number three, impaired brain function. Spiky cortisol levels disturb your memory and increase your mental clouding. Having coherent thoughts can be really hard when you are on high alert all the time. Number four, chronic compilation of diseases. High blood pressure, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and osteoporosis are some common consequences you face due to peak levels of stress hormone. Number five, infections. Since your immune system is at the stake, you are prime to infections. Anxiety, depression, concentration problems, headache are some other common side effects. What to do to lower these stress hormone levels naturally? I know it sounds scary, but instead of stressing out after getting to know about the stress hormones themselves, you should try to relax and find ways that can help you. Although it seems like you don't have control over all that happens in a fight or flight state, there are actually some hacks that can help improve your diet and lifestyle and hence manage your stress hormone levels. Let me share some of them with you. Number 1, cut your sugar intakes. Cakes, pastries, soda, bread, all these foods are so tempting, but they are a great source of sugar in it. In order to lower your stress hormones, you have to reduce the intake of all such edibles. As I have told you in so many times, an increased sugar rush can mimic a panic attack, which can fuel your fight or flight instinct. Switch to their healthier substitutes like whole grain bread and vegetables, etc. Number 2, limit caffeine and alcohol consumption. Studies show caffeine increases the cortisol secretion in your body even at rest. Caffeine makes it worse, you see. People also think alcohol helps them relax, but it's addictive and it's a depressant actually. Work on leaving these. Number 3, hydration helps a lot. The more you stay dehydrated, the more exhausted and stressed out you are. An ample amount of water regulates cortisol secretion. Dehydration is seen as a stressor and makes your adrenal gland surge out stress hormones. Drink water, herbal teas, healthy juices, and eat water-rich foods. Number 4, eat regularly and eat healthy. Sticking to a regular and healthy eating schedule can really help keep the hormone levels under control. Never let yourself either eat to the brim out of stress or not feel the appetite to eat at all. Keep a track. Eat a snack every 3 to 4 hours or small meals while awake. Number 5, break a sweat. Exercising is never dangerous. Its intensity can be. Shift from high intensity exercise to moderate or lower intensity exercises. Number 6, take care of your sleep patterns, very important. Stress snatches your sleep first. Never compromise on it. Meditate for a while or have a gentle walk before going to bed. Some herbal teas also help relax so that you can have a good night's sleep. Number 7, eat cortisol lowering foods. Let's plan your diet schedule with foods that lower your cortisol. Fortunately, we have some foods that can surprisingly lower your cortisol secretion levels, like dark chocolates, bananas, pears, yogurt, and other probiotics and antioxidant-rich foods can lower your cortisol levels. 8, foster good company. Making good friends and keeping healthy company is as important and balancing as your diet. Surround yourself with positive people. Share what you love with them. Tell them jokes, watch shows together, do all that it takes to release serotonin, your happy chemicals. It will keep cortisol at corner. Love yourself. Remind yourself that you can handle it, no matter how hard it gets. You have come so far and have a long way ahead, and you will do it. Stress hormones are tough, but you are tougher. Handle yourself with a little more love on hard days and things will be okay. If you want to know more about stress hormones, I have multiple videos on my YouTube channel. I'm linking them below. As well as if you want guidance on eating right to lower your stress hormones, which is going to work for your skin, then please go on my website and download free recipes for glowing skin. Also, if you want to know more about your skin and understand how to heal your skin, check out my online courses, Holistic Skincare Masterclass. And if you want to learn face yoga and face massage, check out my 7-day facelift. I'll see you next week. Till then, sending you lots of love and health.